Hello, everybody. It's Ms. Amber, and I'm really excited to do my first ever product endorsement. I was contacted by this wonderful company, ENBYNYC, and I have the opportunity to share with you my thoughts on their Hir Hydrate PM Cream. So what I do after I've washed my face is I take just a little bit of the cream and apply it to my tender flesh all over and gently work it into the skin. And I'm left feeling fresh like a spring daisy. And I can just leave that overnight and I'll wake up feeling like my skin has been treated to a wonderful concoction. Thanks, ENBYNYC. There we go. Oh, better. Thanks, ENBYNYC, for the amazing product. What do you think? Check the link in my bio if you want to get yourself some.